Hey guys, okay, so I'm on my walk to stop one. Patty, can you walk a little faster?
Yes, I can.
Okay, the camera's probably shaking like a motherfucker.
It really is. You guys want to see your underwear?
Alright, so we're walking down the street, and I'm walking down the street in my boxers. Ready?
Bam! 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 Show the Calvin Klein.
Calvin Klein, baby!
For women.
For women. And they're really comfortable, and now I don't want to put my skinny jeans back on. But, I really want to shuffle, dude. We should definitely go back to your house and shuffle.
Well, I'll make a video of that, too, if I don't get hit by a car.
You're not going to get hit by a car. I have your back, yo.
Doesn't matter. You'd probably be like, oh, dude.
Right here. I'll hold it. Okay, so, we are on our way to go get lollipops and I guess whatever else we can spend our money on. And we are walking through this very lovely black neighborhood. No, I'm just kidding. I love black people. Don't you love black people, Patty? You don't love black people? This girl is my best friend. She's the one that's going to be helping me make all my videos. And yes, I'm going to keep making them if you like them or not. And, what? Oh, yeah, for real, they were like, hey, you want to hit a blunt? And I was like, Patty, walk away, Patty, walk away. And she was like, it's late, don't do it. And, yeah, it was really awkward. And, I'm going to switch hands here real quick. I hold a camera really good.
Because you're like, bam!
I'm like, bam!
I'm on my period!
And,
Make me a bam!
okay, so basically, I decided to make this video because I pleaded to myself that I would make a new video if this fucking sucks. I would make a new video if I got 30 views on my last video, which I did. So I guess...
Congratulations!
Yes.
Yay!
I guess if I get 30 or 20 more on this video, I'll make another one. And this one, I want to tell you about this girl named Cordo. It's K-O-R-T-O. And I always thought that her name sounds like a Pokemon.
Like Cordo!
And I always wanted to make a Pokemon out of it. And I'm like, okay, so her attacks would be like Steel Bike, Water Fountain, Kick Drop, and what was the other one? Hoop, dude.
Speak Spanish.
Speak Spanish, yeah.
Because, you know, she totally speaks Spanish even though she's black.
Yeah, and, oh, look at the doggy! Look how cute the dog is. Look how cute the dog is. Oh, that's cute.
That's not cute, Pappy! Okay, back to Cordo.
Okay, anyways, back to Cordo. I just saw the cutest dog in my life. I held a kitten earlier, too.
It looks like a ginger!
Alright, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys about,
sucking dick!
Cordo, my Pokemon makers. Once I get my internet fixed, which will probably be on my birthday, which is November 21st, I will share my video that I have made actually about Cordo. And it's fucking hilarious. There will be Betty White's breast milk involved, I promise. Alright.
Betty White's breast milk?
Yeah, Betty White's breast milk. Alright, guys. I guess I'm gonna go.